My name is Mundula from OMA 223. Now we are going to see the heart auscultation.
Okay, please, first point.
First point is Mediterranean wall. It is located in the left side of the intercostal space.
Okay.
Deep under 1.5 centimeters.
You listening sound?
The second one is aortic wall. It's located in the right side of the second intercostal space.
Okay, listen.
Third one is a pulmonary wall. It's completely opposite to the aortic wall. It is also located in the second intercostal space in the left side. Fourth one is tricuspid wall. It is located in the xiphoid process of sternum.
Small upper. Put this. Listening left side also small. Small left side and right side. Knees xiphoid process. Listening. Okay. You listening sound? Okay, next point.
And the last point is Borkena
Airbag.
veil. It's in the third intercostal space of the left leg side.
Okay, also sternum. Listening, please. Okay.